Hi everyone. In this project, we learn about road accident prediction zone. As per the different features of road and environmental condition, this model predicted whether the accident may be possible or not, or what are its chances. So for the same, we use random forest machine learning algorithm. Uh, and if we talk about the flow of this work, then we take the data set and remove some unnecessary column during the pre-processing part that comes under training. After this, we do some feature engineering where we apply SMART in order to increase the size of data set. And further, we classify data set into training and a desired output class set, and a random forest algorithm will get trained. For this, we use a Python uh, programming for the learning, training, and testing. Coming to the model. So when you download this project, you will get this set of files. In this, you need to check that what are the training features you need in your Python and what all testing. So I just run here the testing part, and to run this, just click on this run button, and after running, it will choose the accuracy of detection and the severity of accident in first, second, and third class. Severity means the chance or how much a severe accident may be happen if those conditions are prevail in this road condition area. So right now the data set is loading. And when you download this source code, you will get data set and document file both. To download it, just click on the description link, and we provide a live support as well if you need any help to run those code files. We develop some more different kind of projects covering different kind of predictions and the learning related to machine learning, artificial intelligence. To get those projects, you can browse our channel and website as well for getting the code files and output. So accuracy part is 77.65%. So by this, they can just get alarmed that whether the accident is happened or the chances of the accident. I hope this video help you to learn that how to predict a model for a road accident. To get more similar project, just visit our channel, or you can even comment if you are stuck in any of your current running project. We help you. Thank you.